We are in the housekeeping items portal on the EMINUTES client-side website. We are going to complete some items for a formation that has begun in our system, EMINUTES Demo Corp, and it's for the user Abraham Lincoln. You can see there's two tabs. There's an outstanding items and a complete items. Complete are all the tasks that have already been done. Outstanding is what's left to do. So we have Abraham Lincoln as the president. He will be serving as a responsible party as it relates to getting the FEIN. And so we are going to enter his social here. And that will be transmitted now to the EMINUTES team. We're also going to provide the shareholder information for the corporation. We are just going to say it's Abraham Lincoln and he's single, and we are going to provide that he is contributing $1,000 for 1,000 shares in EMINUTES Demo Corp. And then we're going to save that information, and we need to provide the director information, and we're going to say it's Abraham Lincoln as well. You want to save that. So now if we refresh here, we'll see a draft of the articles is now here for approve. You can approve it, or you can provide comments. So if you said, I want to change the name, or the initial director is not wrong, or something along those lines, you could communicate that here. Alternatively, if everything looks good, you can simply approve the articles by clicking here, and it will be sent to the Secretary of State for filing. That's it.